Host: Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us today. Today, we are going to discuss the difference between two professions that are commonly confused: data analyst and business analyst. Data analyst enters the stage. Host: Let's start with data analysts. What exactly does a data analyst do? Data analyst. Well, as the name suggests, a data analyst deals with data. The main role of a data analyst is to collect, organize, and analyze large volumes of data to identify patterns and trends to assist in decision-making. Host: That sounds complex. Can you elaborate on the tools and techniques you use to carry out your work? Data analyst: Sure. A data analyst typically works with statistical and data visualization tools like Excel, Tableau, R, and Python. We also use techniques like regression analysis, clustering, and hypothesis testing to highlight relevant insights buried within massive datasets. Host: That's quite impressive. Now let's switch gears to business analysts. Can you tell us about your job, please? Business analyst enters the stage. Business analyst, of course. As a business analyst, my primary responsibility is to analyze business operations and identify areas for improvement. I work closely with cross-functional teams to identify the root cause of problems and provide recommendations on how to address these issues. Host: That sounds interesting. Can you give an example of a problem you solved recently? Business analyst: Sure. Recently, my team was tasked with optimizing the sales funnel for a product. After analyzing the data on customer behavior, I recommended streamlining the checkout process and reducing the number of required fields, among other things. Host: That's fascinating. Can you describe the tools you use to carry out your work? Business analyst: Business analysts use tools like Excel, Power BI, and Jira to track project progress, analyze business processes, and create reports. We also use techniques like SWOT analysis and gap analysis to assess the current state of the business and develop optimization strategies. Host: Thanks to both of you. Based on your explanations, I can confidently say that the two professions might share some similarities, but they are entirely different from each other. Data analyst and business analyst nod in agreement. Host: Well, folks, I hope this conversation cleared up any confusion you might have had about the difference between data analysts and business analysts. Thank you to our guests for sharing their insights with us today. We appreciate it.